1. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Captain Radar. So I picked up a new toy to play with. It happens to be the new 4K, well, not new, but new 4K Apple TV. So let's do a quick unboxing of it. Oh, I guess I should go over the box first. So, this is the front of the box. So if you can see it, yep, there you go. It's the front of the box. The side is pretty bland. The top just has 4K, blah blah. The bottom just has the information of what it is. 32 gig model, because why do you need 64 gigs on your TV? And the back is just telling you all the fun nonsense, I guess, that head has. So let's break the seal, basically saying this is mine and all that fun stuff. So let's do that. Woo! Shook. Box has nothing on the inside of it. We'll move this to the side for a sec. This is the Apple TV. This is the new remote, which I actually have the old one right off camera view to show you the differences. So let's pop this out. Oh, how do they have this now? Oh, that's how they do it now. It's been a while since I bought a new Apple TV. The power cord. Under here is probably just all the documentation, and yay, another lightning cable that I don't need. Oh, I'm keeping that in. This is just the documentation. So this is basically just telling you how to hook it up, and right, yeah, this is just telling you how to hook it up. What the buttons on the remote do, how to do the things with the TV, and yeah, there's nothing really fancy on the back. Health and safety, and then the Apple stickers. Oh, yeah, duh. Like I said, I'm not really doing any editing for this. I forgot. I have to I have to do this. And then the taking off all of the quote unquote net neutral packaging on it. Box hasn't changed since the 4th gen. I think this is considered like the 5th gen Apple TV now or something. I don't know. The back is power in, HDMI. I forgot what it's called for a split second. HDMI, USB-C. Oh, there's no USB-C on this one now. Huh. And Ethernet. There used to be a USB-C port on these guys. For if you really messed it up, you can plug it in and do a recovery. I guess they don't allow that anymore. Huh. That's interesting. Because the older generation one that I have over on the other side of the camera where everything is, wow, this is heavier. That the back has a power in HDMI. Above it is USB-C, and then there's a HDMI usually. But so let's go into, yes, I labeled the remote. This is the comparison then of the two remotes. This is the new one, and this is the older one. To be honest, looking at it, I prefer this one, the newer one, out of the two, because you just have something that apparently people have been asking for, which I don't understand why people have been asking for, but there's a back button. You press the menu button and you go back with the older one. I mean, it wasn't that hard, but apparently it was. The bottom is still charged by Lightning. You look at the size comparison on the side over here, there's the Siri activation button. It's an IR now, because there's an actual physical button to turn on and off. Instead of the glass trackpad, there's the touch wheel thing, and yeah, that's really about it. So it was just a quick unboxing of the new 4K Apple TV. I want to Guess catch you in the next one. Bye.